What's up, K Crew? We are here in our lovely bakery tonight in Tudalia's Bakery. Today we are baking a moist pound cake. And our star student, she will make it directly from scratch. Everything scratch is up in here, including the cake flour. So earlier on, we had to make the flour itself because we wanted to teach her how to make cake flour when she does not have cake flour, because cake flour is extremely expensive. So we went ahead and we taught her how to make the cake flour using some regular all-fashioned flour, all-fashioned purpose flour, and a good old cornstarch. So I'll leave that in the comments below. So now she is going to go ahead and put the granulated sugar together. She'll go ahead and put her butter in there and get to mixing that. But again, this is all about teaching, showing how we pass on our generational knowledge to our babies so that they know how to make things on their own instead of buying it out of a box. So I'm going to give her opportunity to introduce herself. Again, she is our newest model on the marketing side, but you all should know her by now. So go ahead and give you a shout out, baby.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Rita at Tudalia's Bakery, and right now I'm using granulated sugar. So I've already got that in this bowl. So right now I see a little bit of chunks in there, so I'm gonna try to
Manually chop it up, but we're gonna go ahead and put it underneath of the mixing bowl and start to go ahead and mix it on up. I will show you that process in a second, so just bear with us and hang tight.